Hey guys, this video is gonna show you how to one-click transfer data from Samsung to Huawei P40. First, Google the link on the screen to install single data transfer on your computer and then launch it. You will find three features on the left which will transfer, restore, and backup. Now connect both your Samsung and Huawei P40 to computer via USB cables. Make sure Huawei P40 is on the right, or you can click here to adjust its position. Have any device detection problem, refer to syncos.com. Scroll down to the photo area, click Program FAQ, then find this Enter Single Data Transfer FAQ. This is gonna help fix it. Now tap on Next. All the items that you can transfer between Android show up on the screen. Also, you can click here to find what you can transfer between devices with the Syncos. I'll take applications as an example. Uncheck Select All and then check Audio and Transfer, then tap on Next. Syncos scan the 25 applications. Now click Next to start transfer. Don't disconnect your devices during the transfer process. There you go, as you can see, Syncos can skip duplicate apps. Okay, this is how transfer works. Next, I'll show you other features of Syncos. Click Restore, you can restore data from local iTunes, iCloud Backup File, and iTunes Library to iOS or Android. Click Backup, you can back up your data from iOS or Android to your computer. Hope this video works for you. I'll see you next time.